Hi, my name is Lebogang Jamini from South Africa. I serve in the residential team, the student life department, and I also serve as an entrepreneurial leadership coach at the African Leadership Academy.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Mehdi Mlawah, all the way from the Republic of Tunisia, and I am a part of the class 2025.
My name is Ramutan Bedu. I'm from the Gambia, also known as the Smiling Coast of Africa, and I'm a year one, part of the class of 2025.
My message for the year twos that will be going all around the world is to preserve your African identity in whatever field, whatever university, whatever country you will flourish in.
I want the year twos to know that although you are leaving, your impact remains heavily on us and the school. Thank you for the laughter, the memories, the advice. Keep pushing, keep believing in yourselves, keep expressing your beautiful selves. You will surely be missed.
Izandla Ziyagezana, meaning hands washing each other, right? The significance of that is literally the year twos coming back to say thank you to their teachers, thank you to the residential team, to their home heads, to their advisors, for really walking with them the journey of ALA. And it's very important to say thank you to the people that have walked the journey with you. So yeah, that is the significance of Izandla Ziyagezana at the African Leadership Academy.